fellas, it is high noon, and we are headed where?
Charlotte.
Charlotte, Z-Max Raceway.
Yep, it's wet. Rain and all.
Rain and all, Hot Rod Power Tour, day one. Here we go, folks. Watch us on Twitter. So we're just north of Jacksonville, headed up to Portsmouth, Georgia, and poor Jack lost a clip on his windshield wipers, and we just drove through a tremendous storm. I mean, it rained all the way from south of Jacksonville up to where we are now. So we're having to do some roadside repair, which is typical for the Hot Rod Power Tour.
Yeah, soaking up water.
Tell us what happened.
I have no idea. All I know is it's wet.
So you got a water leak somewhere in this bad boy. Thank God for Mike.
Yep.
Mike brings everything. This is not his old Milwaukee, but his Milwaukee shop vac.
It's awesome.
What do you think of that thing, buddy?
It is awesome.
Look at that.
Boy, this is a neat little tool.
Fenzhou comes well prepared. And if you just want to kind of
Perfect.
take a look and see, I want you guys to all look at Mike Fenzhou's trunk. That's the trunk on a 64 Impala. And he's got everything in there. He's got a family in there somewhere.
Yep, dude. There's a workbench that folds out. Got a full place.
All right, well, we made it.
Finally.
It's a long drive from Tampa.
Yep.
Here we have an interloper here. How you doing, brother?
Crashing the party. Come on in.
From where? Atlanta. Okay, well, you drove up here too from a long way out.
Short driver.
That rain was amazing,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
we came from Tampa, and boy, it was ugly. 3/4 of the way.
It was bad. But we're here. We're signing in. We got a long line.
I got stuff wetted. Even I got areas wetted. Even though I had areas.
So anyway, more to come.